Yo, today's video is going to show you how to get a Plants vs. Zombies 2 modded version. So let's open up the game. So as you can see, I'm pretty broke, but in the mod, we can enable unlimited gems, skip ads, anti-ban, all this stuff. So I'm going to show you exactly how to download it onto your device. It's super cool, guys. So I'm just going to enable unlimited gems, and they should start going up. And then I'm going to show you exactly how to download it. So let's begin the tutorial. So as you can see, my gems are going up like crazy. This is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So the first thing we need to do is go to our browser, and we're just going to go onto this website. It's called tweakmod.com. So once you're on the website, what you need to do is just go to the search bar and type in Plants vs. Zombies. So as you can see, it came up. So go ahead and press install, and this will start installing it. So before it installs, there is going to be a verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free. They're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to give it a second to load up, and then we should be all set, guys. So let's give it a second here, as you can see. All right, and then we're going to be good to go, bro. So here we are. So it's at the end now, so we just have to download 2 apps. So as you can see, it says missing files, additional files are required. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% for free from official app store. So for instance, TikTok says download and use for 3 days. Then we've got like Text Now, Misplay, so there's tons of them. So just go ahead and do 2 of them. You should be good to go. So I'll see you later, but that's how to get the Plants vs. Zombies 2 modded version. So yeah, it is super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because this actually works, guys, and it's pretty wild. So I don't make a lot of videos like this, but it's pretty cool that this actually works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, but that's how to get the Plants vs. Zombies 2 modded version for your device. There's no jailbreak needed or anything like that, so I'm a very big hoper that you guys will enjoy this. So I'm going to see you in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys, and peace out.